In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set page size in Google Sheets. A well-tailored page size ensures your data is presented exactly how you want it, whether you're printing it out or saving it in a specific format such as a PDF. So, let's dive in and learn how to adjust these settings with ease and precision. First, you'll want to start by opening your Google Sheet. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do that first. Navigate to Google Sheets, then open the specific sheet you're working with. If you're working off of an existing sheet, just double-click on that sheet, and it'll load up on your screen, ready for editing. Once your sheet is loaded, head to the top left of your screen and click on the File menu. This button will open up a slew of options that control various functionalities within Google Sheets. Amongst these options is the one that we're interested in today: Printing Settings. Now, click on Print. This button does more than just send your data to a physical printer. It opens up the Print Settings menu. And here is where a lot of customization happens. The Print Settings menu is the hub for all things formatting and layout. In this window, you'll find an option labeled Paper Size. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. By default, it might be set to a standard size like letter or A4. But don't worry if you need something different. From this menu, you'll want to choose Custom Size. This is where you can input your specific requirements. Ideal if you have custom dimensions for a unique printer or design need. Enter your desired height and width. Maybe you need to fit everything into a compact space, or you just want to make sure your data prints out without unnecessary breaks. This is where you control that. Before finalizing your settings, it's wise to preview the document in the print window. This preview lets you see exactly how your document will appear once printed. It's a great opportunity to make any last-minute adjustments. Check that all your data looks correct, and nothing is spilling over onto another page in an odd way. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, click Next. You'll then have the option to either print the document directly or save it as a PDF. Choosing to save it as a PDF can be particularly handy if you prefer digital formats or need to share it electronically while maintaining the layout integrity. And there you have it. With these steps, you're equipped to set the page size for any of your Google Sheets documents. Remember, consistently checking your print preview can save you lots of time and hassle, ensuring your documents look polished every time. Happy formatting!